Can I go from zero to decent at drawing starting today? So I said I'd start with art. The reason why I need to work on art is because I want to be able to create my own characters in exactly the way I want them to. And personally, I don't play games or watch anime or consume any kind of animated media when I don't like the art style. So for my future games, I need to be a good artist. Well, it's not just art that makes a game visually appealing, but we'll get to those later on this journey. Games like Red Dead Redemption, Cyberpunk, Alan Wake 2 are especially known for their visuals. There are many more that I'd like to talk about, but that's for another video maybe. Characters, UIs, graphics, effects, scenes come from the art. Each and every element of the entire game needs to be well implemented. I'm not here for perfection. I just want to create, and to do that flawlessly, I need to work hard. It's not like I have zero experience with art. School and college has me doing all sorts of things like decoration, crafting, wall painting, like many more. And actually, I think I'm kind of good at it. So I thought it'd be easy. Let me show you my notebook. I actually started it on February, and as you can see the date here, so simple but gives you a sense of accomplishment. Easy, but the reference in Pinterest looked way cooler. Kind of aesthetic. I really like this one. It needs work on a lot of things, but it still gave me hope that I might have some talent. Here are some drawing exercises that I found on YouTube, and that's where it ended. Yeah. Moving on, some cute Pinterest finds. I believe every other person has seen this girl once. A bow. A cute ghost and empty space. This is from last Monday, and a cage with weird birds. The birds were hard to draw, so I left some of them. I don't know if you can tell, but it's two people walking on snow, which I think is decent. Yeah, let's skip that one. Simple, calming, and gives me motivation for doing more. That's 4 days of work. Yeah, I drew only one for each day, but that saves me from burnout. Moving on to the best one I've done so far. These are my eyes. It's from my profile picture from Instagram. The reason why I was able to draw it like this is because I think I'm more familiar with my face. That's what I actually believe. For the next one, I'm going to draw it on camera. I suck at recording and drawing at the same time, so I'll add the best clips out of those. so I couldn't finish it that time because it got so late, so I did it in the morning, and I should think of a better way to videograph it so that I can see what I'm drawing. Like, I wasn't able to actually see what I was doing because of my phone. So far, I think I need work on anatomy first and perspectives right after that. Working on those two would be better for now, and then we'll see next. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and for the next chapter or the next video, I'm going to start with making beats, but I will first start to learn how to actually use any software or use the free ones. Of course, I'm not going to pay so early in my journey. I would start with Cakewalk. I think that's the best for beginners. So I'll learn how the actual software, the interface, or use whatever you call it, how that works, and then I will, at the end of the videos, try to make a beat on my own, beat or melody or anything. So stay tuned.